Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about taking care of your Chevy Silverado SS. Whether you're a proud owner or just dreaming about one, this video is packed with tips to keep your truck running smooth and looking sharp. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about exterior care. The Silverado SS is a head turner, and you want to keep it that way. Here are my top tips. 1. Washing. Always use a high-quality car shampoo and a microfiber mitt to avoid scratches. Rinse thoroughly to remove dirt before washing, and don't forget to dry it with a clean microfiber towel to prevent water spots. 2. Waxing. Apply a good quality wax every 3 to 4 months to protect the paint and keep that glossy finish. If you want extra protection, consider a ceramic coating. 3. Tires and wheels. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner to keep your rims looking fresh. Don't forget to apply tire shine for that extra pop. Now, let's move inside. The interior of your Silverado SS deserves just as much attention as the exterior. 1. Vacuuming. Regularly vacuum the seats, carpets, and floor mats to keep dirt and debris from building up. 2. Leather care. If your SS has leather seats, use a leather cleaner and conditioner to keep them soft and prevent cracking. 3. Dashboard and surfaces. Wipe down the dashboard, console, and other surfaces with a microfiber cloth and a gentle interior cleaner. Avoid products with harsh chemicals that can damage the materials. Keeping your Silverado SS in top shape isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. Here are some maintenance tips to keep it running like a beast. 1. Oil changes. Stick to the recommended oil change intervals, and always use high-quality oil. For the SS, synthetic oil is usually the best choice. 2. Tire pressure. Check your tire pressure regularly. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency and handling. 3. Fluid levels. Keep an eye on all fluid levels: coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Top them off as needed. 4. Air filter. Replace the air filter regularly to ensure your engine is breathing clean air and performing at its best. If you're looking to take your Silverado SS to the next level, here are a few upgrades I recommend. 1. Performance tune. A performance tune can unlock extra horsepower and improve throttle response. 2. Exhaust system. Upgrade to a catback exhaust system for better sound and performance. 3. Suspension. Consider lowering springs or a leveling kit to improve handling and give your truck a more aggressive stance. And that's it, folks. Taking care of your Chevy Silverado SS doesn't have to be complicated, just a little love and attention will keep it looking and performing like new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.